we've been speaking to many people, and especially when it comes to Punekars, exactly where this tragedy happened. There is a point when they are finding it hard to believe on how and what lenient grounds that this minor was allowed to go out on bail. And we've been speaking there to the people as well. The Pune district collector, the excise department of the district, which has now also sealed the bars that allegedly served liquor to the minors. We've been also speaking to the eyewitnesses at the very same accident spot where people now are gathering to express their condolences. Listen in.
This is the sorry state of affair in Pune. How do you react to this?
I will react with only one thing. The parents need to take cognizance of their children. They need to educate them, especially the rich and the famous. They are making everybody's life miserable. They are setting a bad example by giving the children what they want, because they have a lot of money to spare and spoil their children. They can do whatever they want in the vicinity of their homes, but not outside on the streets.
You see the pubs all over in Kalyani Nagar now, the liquor shops in the vicinity of schools, and this particular road has become a racing track in the night for the rich and powerful. You see the high-end cars and motorbikes, running at 100-150 kilometers, endangering the life of the residents. But after repeated complaints also, not much has happened.
It raises questions on the judges and the jury who given the bail on this for a juvenile concern. At the same time, the kid is 17 years, 8 months. Yeah. By the time the trial will happen and everything will come down, he will be an adult. So he should be treated as an adult. At the same time, as a resident forum, we have started a petition to close down all the pubs and restaurants by 11:30.
Parents are responsible. In this case especially, they are responsible. The guy did not even have a driving license. How did he? And so many levels of failures.
It was the Janta Punekars who were expressing their disappointment.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।